Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Far-flung Wheeler 2019 350 Realm. Let's start with the back of the boat. You've got three top-of-the-line motors in the back, the Mercury Verado 350s. It's super powerful for this boat. It gets it right up on the plane and gives you a good top end, close to 50 miles an hour. And also we got a few other features. We got a sure shade that automatically comes out and completely covers the seating area. So if you want shade, it's all automatic. We got some outriggers as well for to decide to do some fishing. And let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 350 Realm. If you are out for a ride, this bench seat right here folds down. It's very comfortable. Three adults, very comfortable in the back. It does flip up if you are fishing. It gets out of the way. You've got your live well right here. Comfortable seating here, so you've got opposing seating if you're just hanging out. Very large cooler, refrigerator, grill, dive door, which is fantastic. Good for fishing and good for just swimming, getting on and off the boat. It's very safe, very good way to get the fish on board and also get yourself on board the boat as well. And then we can, when we're underway, we can flip it this way. And now you've got very comfortable forward-facing seating. And it's good because now you've got four adults that can sit and all hear each other and be in the conversation, especially the captain likes to be involved in the conversation as well. If you are hanging out, this whole seat will flip around. And now you've got opposing seating when you're just hanging out, having a drink, having some appetizers. As we move to the helm, two large Raymarines, and it's all touchscreen. You've got the joystick, gives you sideways docking, gives you an autopilot, gives you sky hook that'll hold you in place if you need to be in one place, getting ready to go into a slip or whatever. It does that very well. In the cabin, very large cabin. You don't realize as big as it is, but it's plenty of room down there. That's setting right now is for hanging out. It's got a TV and also converted into a very large bed as well. So a full head does a little bit of everything down there. As we move forward, we've got the sun top. These sun tops go up in a couple of minutes. They just pop right into the rod holders. Gives this seating up here shade, fantastic. Big lounge area, armrests. If this automatically goes up and down, this will lower down for one huge sun pad up here if you're hanging out. If you're having drinks and cocktails, you can take this off. You get a beautiful teak table and comfortable seating all the way around. It's just an all-around perfect boat for where we are. It does everything very well, whether it's having fun, going fishing, whatever it is, it does it well. So if you've got any questions on it, please call me. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.